Okay, so what you're going to do is in your dashboard view, you normally start off with this basic tree view that shows all your devices, including your BCS and your Ultrix frames. If you go to Views, Advanced Tree View, and do a new Advanced Tree View tab, this is going to give you some new options. So it's opened it up over here with the same device view. But if you notice at the bottom, there's this section called Custom Folders. And what we can do is if we look at our BCS, we can then pull any portion of that and put it into a custom folder. So I'm going to go into my databases, control panels, and I'm going to take my matrix panel right here, and I'm going to put that into the custom folder. So I just take this and I drag it down into my custom folders, and it's going to ask me if I want to put a prefix onto it, which will just add an additional piece of text for you to help identify it. I'm just going to leave the default. And now that panel shows up in this custom folder. And if I want to put my second one, for example, this one, I can add it to my custom folders and so on. Then in my custom tree view, I can hide my all connections, and I have these custom folders that display just the items I want. And if I want, I can create subfolders within here by clicking the new folder option, and just say these are it's called panels, and I can drag those into there and organize them however I need to. I also have the ability to take these custom folders and I can drag that view over on top of here, and now I've got multiple tabs, my basic tree view or my custom folders. And since everything that's in the basic tree view also shows up in this advanced tree view, I can close my basic tree view and leave the all connections minimized and just have the panels that I want. If I need to get at other devices or nodes, I can open up all connections and they're all visible for me here.